Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video, or welcome if this is your first time joining. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. This is a $5 Goodwill challenge for the summer, and in order to participate, all you had to do was find an item that cost $5 or less at a Goodwill, a thrift store, or a tag sale, anywhere like that, and find something to decorate your home for the summer. So I'm just going to share with you the things that I found and what I'm going to do to decorate. The first thing I got was this box here. This was $2. It has this little earth engraving on it. I'm not sure who made this, but it's nicely made. It has this lid here, and then this is the box made out of this nice soft wood. And I also got this bowl. This was $1. So my plan is, I'm not sure if this will work, but we'll see. My plan is to cut this bowl in half and use only half of it in my decor. So I happen to have this little piece of a block of wood. I recently took apart my son's box spring. We didn't need it, so we stored it in our basement, and our dog kind of destroyed it. So I cut the box spring apart to use for kindling wood for our fireplace in the winter. So this piece was already in this size, and it fits perfectly in this box here. So my plan is to have this as a little stand. And then once this bowl is cut in half, I'm going to place the half of the bowl directly into this. It's going to be a little display bowl here. And then I had these little pieces of greenery already, and I plan to add these to the inside of the half of the bowl. And then I have these little white rocks, and then cover the stems with the rocks. And then I wanted to use the lid as well, so I found the word tranquility in this style here because I love Oriental art. I plan to add this somehow onto this. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do that. I was thinking of making this into a stencil and staining it onto this here, but then after I printed it out, I thought it might be fine just to maybe Mod Podge it to the wood. I'll figure that out later, but you'll of course see the process of what I end up doing. And then I'm gonna add 2 screws. And then I'm gonna add 2 screws to the back of here and 2 screws to the back of here. And then I'm gonna attach some kind of twine here, and then I'm gonna hang these on the wall like this. Kind of seems like the word and then the greenery like that kind of go together. I get that kind of vibe, so that's what I'm gonna do there. I hope you liked this video. Please click the thumbs up if you did, and check out some of the other videos on my channel. And then also check out Hillary's channel, which is linked in the description box, as well as the playlist to see all the other participants and what they did. So I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.